Maganda araw mga kautol. And for today's video ay ituturo naman natin ang Gigil by BGYO. So bago natin simulan yung tutorial ay i-mirror muna natin itong video. Let's go! So ayun na nga mga kautol, mirror tayo. Ibig sabihin kung nakaharap ka sa akin kung ano yung side na igagalaw ko, ayun din ang side na igagalaw mo. Ito ang ating kanan at ito ang ating kaliwa. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Simulan natin sa figure 1. Sa figure 1 natin mga kautol, step right foot lang tayo habang yung mukha natin or yung ulo ay haharap dito sa bandang kanan. Ang kasabay na movement ng kamay ay parang igaganon natin siya. Ipupunta natin siya backward or papalikod. Okay? So step right foot and then magko-close si left na may palundag nang nakaganito yung kamay. Okay? So it's boom, boom. Ganun ang mangyayari. And then after that, step right foot tayo, then close, left, then close, and then right. Ang kasabay na movement ng kamay from right, igaganon natin pabilog hanggang sa mapunta dun sa original position yung kamay. So from right foot, it's boom, 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 and boom. Okay? So again, it's boom, 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 and boom. And then after that, yung nabitin na step na right foot, ifo-forward lang natin siya habang yung kamay natin ay gaganyan sa gilid ng katawan and then magbe-bend or yuyuko tayo. Okay? So, from here, it's boom. And then magko-close lang siya sa left foot and then yung left foot naman ang i-step backward. Pag nag-step backward si left foot, ibibiling natin yung ulo natin dito. Okay? Yung kanan. So, from here, it's pitek and then close and then step right foot and then pag in-step natin yung right foot, i-close lang natin siya to the original position and then shout tayo, matatayo tayong ganyan and then boom. Dahan-dahan tayo magpe-face in front. Okay? So pag ginawa natin si figure 1 from the top, sabayan nyo ako mga kautol, it's boom, 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 and boom, 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 and boom, 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 boom. Pag nilagyan natin ang countings in 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is our figure 1. Para naman sa figure 2 natin mga kautol, so from here, i-stay lang natin yung kamay natin, which is yung kanan ng pa-shout. And then, step right foot tayo nang pabuka yung tuhod. Okay? So, bubuka yung tuhod, and then babalik to the closed position, pero bubuka din siya. So, it's boom, boom, then gawin natin sa kaliwa. Boom, and then boom. So, pag ginawa natin yung part na yun, it's boom, boom, and boom, boom. After that, tataas lang natin si kaliwang tuhod habang yung kamay natin ay igaganyan natin siya. Okay, so lapit, layo, and then yung kanan naman ang itataas, yung kaliwang kamay naman ang lapit, layo. So, boom, and then boom. And then after that, step right foot tayo ng nakaganyan, naka-heel. Okay, and then yung kamay natin na kanan ay nasa ulo, and then yung kaliwa ay i-extend natin to the left side. So, from here, it's boom, and then after that, susundan agad natin nito, which is isolation. Yung galaw ng kamay is right-left. Susundan lang siya ng galaw ng paa, which is mag-move backward lang si right, and then left, and then down. Pag nag-down yung kamay natin, susundan lang ng katawan. Okay, so from here, down, boom, and then kuha. Luloob lang yung movement ng tuhod. Kuha, then kuha sa kaliwa. So, boom, and then boom. Then after that, step backward si left, then right, and then left. Tapos maharap tayo sa side ng kanan. Again, so paa muna tayo, left, right, left. And then ang kasabay na kamay, i-chop lang natin yung kaliwa ay pataas, and then yung chop ng kanan is pababa. Kasabay yung movement ng paa, which is left, right, left. And then after that, kukunin lang natin yung kanang paa natin, which is ito, and then ilalagay natin dito sa harap, parang pilay-pilayan step, kuha, then tap, tap ng dalawa. Okay, so pag ginawa natin si figure 2 from the top, sabayan nyo ako mga kautol. It's boom, 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 and boom, 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 and boom, and boom, 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 and boom, ta, ta. Pag nilagyan natin ng countings in 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and that is our figure 2. Para naman sa figure 3 natin mga kautol, so from here, nag-tap siya, step left foot lang tayo to the side, and then susundan siya ni right, which is ko-close siyang ganyan, and then open uli si right, ko-close naman si left. Ganun ang movement ng paa, which is left, right, right, left. And then, ang magiging kasabay na movement ng kamay at ng bewang, magka-clap lang to, okay, i-snap lang siyang ganyan, and then itutuloy-tuloy natin ng kembot, pag nag-close, and then step right, and then left. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung kembot. So, again, it's boom, boom, and boom, boom. Then, after that, salok si kanan, and then step si kaliwa, and then mapupunta tayo dito sa harap. Okay? Again, it's boom, boom. And then, pag naharap tayo dito sa harap, ang magiging step natin is para siyang a little bit lundag, which is left yung mauuna, left, right, and then taas yung right. Right naman ang mauna, left, then taas yung left, and then tatlo. Gagawa tayo ng 3 beses. Again, so dito tayo, step left, foot, right, then left, taas yung kanan, right, right, taas yung kaliwa, and then left, right, left, taas yung kanan. So pag ginawa natin yung mabilis na yon, it's boom, 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 and boom, boom, boom. Okay, and then after that, yung last natin na to, tataas lang ng bahagya si kaliwa, and then gaganyan tayo dito. Magagaling sa baba, and then shoulder level, and then after that ay bababa to, pupunta sa original position, and then mag-formation tayo ng pa-chorus. Okay, so from here, it's boom. Okay, so pag ginawa natin si figure 3, from the top, sabayan nyo ako mga kautol, it's boom, 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 and boom, 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 and boom, 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 and boom, and boom. Pag nilagyan natin ng countings in 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is our figure 3. Para naman sa figure 4 natin mga kautol, so from here, kekembot lang yung bewang natin papuntang kaliwa nang nakaganito. So gagawa tayo ng 2 beses. Boom, boom, and then continuous lang yung count ng pangatlo at pang-apat, yung galaw ng bewang. Pero this time, yung pangatlo natin is hatak, paghihiwalayin natin yung kamay natin, and then taas. Okay? Nang naka-point sa taas. So from here, it's boom, boom, hatak, taas. Then after that, bukas-sara lang yung tuhod natin. And then from here, iikot lang natin siya papuntang kanan, kasabay yung bukas-sara ng tuhod. So from here, it's boom, and then boom. Then after that, ibababa natin yung left arm natin habang yung kamay natin na kanan ay tataas na may palundag. Boom! And then, mag-i-step si kaliwa, tataas si kanan. Okay? So, pag nag-step yan, boom, 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 boom. Okay? Ganun ang mangyayari. Dalawang kandirit and then touch sa floor. So, pag ginawa natin si figure 4 from the top, sabayan nyo ako mga kautol. It's boom, 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 and boom, 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 and boom, and. Pag nilagyan natin ang countings in 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. And that is our figure 4. Para naman sa figure 5 natin mga kautol, from here, nag-tap tayo dito, ibababa lang natin yung kamay natin na kanan habang babayo lang tayo ng 2 beses. Okay, so from here, it's boom, boom, and then step left foot to the side ng kaliwa habang yung kamay natin ay nakaganyan. And then we will do the isolation gamit yung bewang ng 2 beses. Then after that, I step right foot ng paganyan. And then tataas lang si kanan, bababa si kaliwa. Boom! Then tataas yung balikat na kaliwa. And then babaling yung ulo to kanan. So from here, it's boom, boom, boom. Then uulitin natin to. Kembot, hatak, tayo. Okay? So pag ginawa natin si figure 5 from the top, sabayan nyo ako mga kautol. It's boom, 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 and boom, 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 and boom, boom, boom. Pag nilagyan natin ang countings in 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is our figure 5. So, ano pang hinihintay natin mga kautol? Sabay-sabay nating sayawan ang gigil. In 1, 2, 3, let's go! So mga kautol, kung nagustuhan nyo yung tutorial natin for today, I don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell button para lagi ka updated sa mga moves ng inyong kautol. Hanggang sa muli, babush!